Hello students, good morning. You all are welcome in grade 6, chapter number Algebra, exercise 11.5. This is the last point of this chapter. So let's start exercise 11.5, question number 1. State which of the following are the equations with variables. Give reasons for your answers. Identify the variable from the equation with variables. Okay. So question number 1. Question number 1 is 17 is equal to x plus 7. So yes, it is an equations with LHS equal to RHS, variable is x. B, t minus 7 is greater than 5. So greater than is there, so it is not an equation because equal to must be there. So here you write down no, it is not an equation because equal to sign is not there. But the variable is there, variable is t. So you have to mention like this. In C1, 4 upon 2 equal to 2, right? So it is not an equation. LHS equal to RHS is there, but variable is not there. So that's why it is not an equation. So when the equation will be there, it should be a variable, it should be LHS equal to RHS and variable must be there. Three conditions are to satisfy the equations. D. 7 multiplied by 3 into bracket, then minus 19 equal to 8. 7 3s are 21 minus 19, that is 2. So 2 is not equal to 8. So D, it is also not equation with no variables. LHS is not equal to RHS. In E, 5 4s are 20 minus 8, that is 12, and 2x is equal to 12. So it is an equation, right? It is an equation with LHS equal to RHS, variable is x. So like this way you can write F2O as homework. Question number 2. Complete the entries in the third column of the table. 10y equal to 80, y equal to 10. Here you put the value y equal to 10 and then you see whether LHS equal to RHS. If LHS equal to RHS, then equation is satisfied, otherwise it is not. Let's see. So in A, 10y equal to 80, put y equal to 10. So if y equal to 10, then LHS is what? 10y. So LHS is equal to 10 into 10. So 10 into 10, that is 100. And RHS is 80. So RHS is 80. Hence 100 is not equal to 80. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So equation is not satisfied. Now students, you observe the table. 10y equal to 80. This time you have to put y equal to 8. So let's see. 10y, 10 into 8, because we are going to take y equal to 8. 10 8 is 80. Hence RHS is also 80. So here LHS equal to RHS. Equation is satisfied. Okay. So like this way you can do homework from C to F and complete the whole table. Now G. B plus 5 equal to 9. Put B equal to 5. You see LHS B plus 5. Now B equal to 5. 5 plus 5 10. But here RHS is 9. So 10 is not equal to 9. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So it is not an equation. So like this way H2G, which you have to do as a homework. Question number 3. In question number 3, one equation is given 5m equal to 60 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 values are there. Out of this value, which is the solution of this equation? Means कौन सी वैल्यू आप रखोगे तो 5m इक्वल टू 60 आएगा. तो देखते हैं, देखो पहले 5m इक्वल टू 60. चलो पहले m इक्वल टू 10 लो, तो 5 इंटू 10 क्या आता है 50. 50 इज नॉट इक्वल टू 60. सो इट इज नॉट सेटिस्फाइड फॉर दिस गिवन वैल्यू m इक्वल टू 10. तो ये सॉल्यूशन नहीं है. चलो 5m अगेन सेम, 5m इक्वल टू 60. दिस टाइम you take m equal to 5. 5 5s are 25 and 25 is not equal to 60. So it is not satisfied for the given value m equal to 5. Okay, go ahead. Now 5m equal to 60. This time you take the value 12. So 5 into 12, 5 into 12 that is 60. So 60 is equal to 60. You see here LHS equal to RHS. Yes, it is verified for given value m equal to 12. Now 5m equal to 60. This time you take m equal to 15 here. So 15 5s are 75. 75 is not equal to 60. So no, it is not satisfied for the given value m equal to 15. Okay. So here you see from this 4 value which one is satisfied? 12. So 12 is the solution of this equation. Now B and C, it is homework for you, like this way you can do. Now D, Q upon 2 equal to 7. 4 values are given. Now take each value and see whether LHS equal to RHS or not. Q equal to 7. 7 upon 2 which is not equal to 7. Okay, so no, it is not satisfied for given value Q equal to 7. Q equal to 2. Q upon 2, that is 2 upon 2, that is 1. 1 is not equal to 7. Hence it is also not satisfied. Q upon 2 equal to 7. Now Q equal to 10. 10 upon 5 means 2 5s are 10. 5 is not equal to 7. So it is not satisfied for given value Q equal to 10. Now Q equal to 7. Sorry, Q equal to 14. 14 upon 2 means 7. 7 is equal to 7. Hence it is satisfied for given value Q equal to 14. So in this D, which one is satisfied? When Q equal to 14, Q upon 2 equal to 7 is satisfied. Okay, so this is the solution. So Q equal to 14 value, it is the solution of this equation. Like this way you can do E and F for homework. Now question number 4. In question number 4, complete the table and by inspection of the table find the solution to the equation m plus 10 equal to 16. Okay, so we can do like this way. Now you see m is equal to 1, so m plus 10 is equal to what? So 1 2 3 4 5, this is the question. आप पहले वो लिख दो, राइट. अब ये देखो m plus 1 m plus 10 equal to what? So m equal to 1, 1 plus 10 11, बराबर. Then 2, m equal to 2, 2 plus 10 12. So 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 and 23. Out of them our equation is m plus 10 equal to 16. किस में आएगा? So when you put m equal to 6, then 16 will come. So when m equal to 6, it is a solution. So like this way you have to do this. B में क्या है? t equal to 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 and 16 तक हमको ढूंढना है. और 5t एंड 5t इक्वल टू 35 कब आता है? सो अब देखो पहले 3 रखो, 5 3 ज़ा 50, फिर t इक्वल टू 4, 5 4 ज़ा 20, फिर t इक्वल टू 5, 5 5 ज़ा 25, फिर t इक्वल टू 6, 5 6 ज़ा 30, when t इक्वल टू 7, 5 7 ज़ा 35. ऐसे वो लिखते जाओ आप. कंप्लीट द टेबल. चलो अभी 5t इक्वल टू 35 किस में आता है? व्हेन यू टेक t इक्वल टू 7. ओके, so t equal to 7 is a solution. Like this way you can do, and remaining C and D, that is homework. Now question number 5. Dear students, question number 5, it is solve the riddles. You may yourself construct such riddles. Who am I? So, first of all, go round a square, counting every corner thrice and no more. Add count to me to get exactly 34. Right? So, let's be count. Very simple way. Students, do you know in first riddle, go round square. Square has how many sides? 4 sides. So, let's the side be L, that is myself. Okay. So, let I am L. Now when you go round every corner condition is there. What is according to condition? Thrice. Every corner thrice means total side how many? Square has how many total side? 4 side. And every corner thrice means 4 threes are 12 and no more. So L plus 12 is equal to get exactly 34. Correct? So L plus uh, 12 is equal to 34. You see, length of each side, that is small l. Means suppose I am L. I am the length of the square. So L plus every corner according to condition square has total 4 sides and each corner wherever you have to count it thrice and no more. Wherever you have to count with the thrice means 3 times. So L plus 3 time into 4, that is 12. So L plus 3 into 4 equal to 34, which is exactly 34. So L plus 12 equal to 34. So L plus so 12 34 कितना आएगा? L is equal to, तो हम 12 में ऐड करेंगे. What is the value of L which is added to 12? Then 34 will come. So L is equal to 22. 22 plus 12, 34 हो जाएगा. So the answer is 20. So I am here 22. Like this way the riddle is there. So like this way you can complete the small riddles second, third and fourth you can do by yourself. And here dear students, the chapter is over. Next time I will give you the solution of this whole chapter and extra videos and concept. Till then, have a nice day. If you have any problem, you can call me. Thank you.